Hello everyone, it's Jackie back with a quick share today. This time I'm sharing my own junk journal, one that I've just finished, a small one that you can see here, just to show you how I use a simple junk journal. This is just a cardstock cover, and it's just under 5 inches by 8.5. It's the pages are a bit smaller. It's very plain, very simple, and don't have too high an expectation. My style is very much stick and plonk, or plonk and stick sort of journaling when I do these myself. There are 20 pages in it, so 40 sides, and it is literally junk that I've used, mainly book pages. So there's nothing on the cover and nothing on the first 2 pages because I quite liked this image. I think this was from probably a Cloth, Paper, Scissors or Somerset Studio type magazine, and this is just some scrapbooking cardstock. So on the first side I've got something I received from Nick a while ago. It's all mixed up with regard, it's not in order date wise or anything like that. It's just me keeping bits and pieces that I don't want to get rid of, really. So this was a photograph of my dog and a statue at the local arboretum. This was Nick had written this in the card that she sent me, and the card was too big to go in, so I've just cut out the message. This again is something that I bought from Liz, and bits and bobs that she sent with that. This again, I've done a little bit of watercolouring here, just messing about. Another picture of Molly, a little bit of journaling, and I've just gone round the edge of the floral here. So it's about colour matching. I think a lot of what I do is about colour matching, colour toning. This is a journal that I made and sold that I was particularly fond of. Can't just remember who bought that, but hopefully they liked it, and I've toned that with some paint chip. Again, this is a book page, and I've left the picture there because I liked it. I made a little 3-tier pocket here, and there are various tickets. We went to see Rufus Wainwright. What's this one? Sir Ranulph Fiennes. We went to listen to a talk by Ranulph Fiennes. Cinema ticket, and this was Perrin Yarns, something I bought from her a little while ago. She does lovely sari silk as well sometimes. I bought a journal from Carol at Frosted Bamble. This is obviously an envelope, more tickets there, and something I bought from Sheila from Boho Daydreams. This was just something I cut out of a magazine that I particularly liked, and I've done a really, really simple collage with bits that were probably off my desk, I guess. J9 scraps. This was some flowers my son bought me for Mother's Day, so they're just photographs. This was something that I had some happy mail from Annette, which was lovely. And that was what was in there. Another page that I've left blank. Years and years ago, I made some ATC cards, sent them off to Somerset Studio, and they were published in their Artist Trading Cards anthology. And these are just reduced copies of the 2 cards that I sent for them. So that's all put together on a tag as a memory. This little fabric dog I cut out of a magazine. I just liked it. There's a bit of journaling there. Another personal thank you card. I haven't done anything in the middle. I might fill that up. I can't decide. Again, roses and glass bottles are 2 things that I particularly like. I bought some stuff from Splattered Inky from Tracy. Yes, Splattered Inky. Yeah, that's this one. Shabby Soul. I was lucky enough to be able to buy one of her journals. This is from a postcard from Wendy, Wendy's Journal Adventure. Another one from Liz. This was an article that I saw in a magazine. It's called Women in Trees. I liked it. It reminded me of a childhood memory, so that went in there. I liked the poem that was on the back, so that stayed. Some more tickets. Back side. This is a photograph I'd printed of my great-grandfather, who was born in 1846 on the Isle of Wight here in the UK. I used to do quite a lot of scrapbooking, and this is similar to one of the scrapbook pages I did of my dad and my son when he was a baby. This is a postcard from Mo's Addiction, a lovely, genuine original. Her copies are brilliant, but it's really cool to have an original. Believe those who seek the truth, doubt those who claim to have found it. This is Leonard Cohen, one of my favourite artists. My parents on their wedding day with some aunts and cousins. A really pretty birthday card from my sister. And that's my husband at the back there. And that's my journal share, quite personal to me, so don't know about revealing myself on YouTube, but it's done now, so thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all again soon.